Now we're going to adjust the center part here, as we did on the ends. I'm actually going to take and punch a hole in this thing. Basically a chase for our wires, plastic bushing so they don't get cut up. Snap that back into place. It's your centerpiece for your 8-foot fixture. It separates an 8-footer into 2 4-foot tubes. Basically it goes like that. You got to do the pre-wire for it. So with a couple of jumpers you connect everything. Because it's only, you're going straight 120 volts, everything on this centerpiece, I'm going to make my 120 volts. The end caps, which are the other ends, are going to be all neutrals. So all this will tie together. So set